Hamza Edwin Piri, and today I'm going to be teaching you the easiest way how to install fonts on both Mac and Windows. So we're going to begin with Mac, then we'll go on to Windows. So let's kickstart the process on Mac. So the first thing you want to do is go to the website you want to get your fonts at. So we're going to go to, this time we can go to Google Fonts once again, because I went there earlier. So I already have Roboto, so we can go just to Google Fonts and search for any other type of font that we do not have on the PC. So what we notice is that we've got fonts already, so we're going to go to all the fonts, then browse for that one-time font we want. So I'm going to get Noto Sans, and we're going to go to review how it looks, its description. You can read that if you want, but I already read that. If you want, you can see how it is going to look like here, or how each letter is going to look like here by hovering on any of them. So we're going to go to download family, and Google will download it right there and then. Good part is that they are all small size files, so we're just going to go to show in Finder when it's done. And the best way is to, on Mac, normally if you want to unzip a file, just double click on it and Mac will unzip it for you, then open it. Then the best way now, because this is where a lot of people get stuck, so the best way now, you don't have to panic, start going to the menu, finding the menu file or etc, or go to the root files and find the menu files. What you just need to do is double click on one font, then it will bring you a window where you can install the font. So just go and click on install, and by you clicking install, it will bring you to where it is installing the fonts itself. Now you can go back to your folder. Just let's minimize that, then let's also minimize this window of Finder. Then you can now get all your files, all your fonts, and drop them here in the same folder. Since we had already installed one font, it is going to ask us which font do we want to install. So we're going to install checked. That is all. You've installed the font, and so if you are to try to find a font, or if you were already using a software, maybe it was a graphic designing software, you might just want to close that software and open it again so that that font can be loaded into that software. So what we're going to do now to make sure that that font is installed, just to show you that that font is installed, we're just going to go to our menu. Then what software are we going to open? Okay, let's just open Inkscape. Okay, now that Inkscape has opened, we're just going to insert any text just by pressing T as a shortcut. Then insert any text. We can still write Noto Sans, then go to Sans here, and then write Noto Sans, and there is this font, as you can see, and you just click on that to change, and then you can switch from its varieties from here. That is how you install a font on Mac. So next video we're going to how to install on Windows. Thank you for watching, and as always, subscribe, like, and share so that this video may help solve a problem for your friend who's stuck.